Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and you guys are having fun. Happy winters and wear warm clothes and stay healthy. So I bought the CVS whole for this week, December 6th till December 12th. I did few decent deals and the most fabulous deal was of candle. I really like it, that how cheap it is because the price that was marked up on that, it was really high. Like, yeah, that was really huge saving. And I used the PayPal as well this week. The transaction was smooth and I will tell you how I did it. Let's go to deals one by one. So first transaction I did on L'Oreal plus CoverGirl. So L'Oreal this week is spend 30, get $10 extra bucks. CoverGirl is spend 18, get $6 extra buck. So I bought L'Oreal Age Perfect Rose Tone Moisturizer. That was $26.49 at my store. L'Oreal Cleanser for $4.99. CoverGirl Twin Brow Pencils for $6.29. CoverGirl Clean Fresh, that is $13.99. I used 2 coupons of L'Oreal from coupons.com that was expiring on Saturday. I used CoverGirl Face coupon from this week's Smart Source, and I used CoverGirl Eye coupon from this week's Smart Source. I used $6 of L'Oreal CRT, and I used 2 CRTs of $5 of $15 L'Oreal CRT. I had $2 of CoverGirl CRT, and I got $8 of $20 CoverGirl mystery coupon. I believe some card got $10 of $20 as well. But on both card I got $8 of $20, and I had $2 on CoverGirl as well. So that reduces my total to $13.75. I rolled off $13.75, got back $10 for L'Oreal, $6 for CoverGirl, and all these 4 products count toward beauty. So I will get $5 in beauty bucks, making it $7.25 moneymaker. This $7.25 moneymaker that I used on my candle deal, I will show you later, but let's go to the other scenario for this one as well. So here you can see on my receipt that I bought these L'Oreal Cleanser, CoverGirl Brow Pencil, CoverGirl Clean Fresh Foundation, L'Oreal the Rose Tone Moisturizer. I used 2 coupons for CoverGirl, 2 coupons for L'Oreal, and 8 of 20, 6 of L'Oreal, 5 of 15, 5 of 15, 2 of CoverGirl. So those everything perfectly smooth. That worked fine, and my total was exactly that I showed in you earlier. And I got back and the $10 for L'Oreal and $6 for CoverGirl as well. Let's go to next transaction. So I got some CRTs, some CVS CRTs. Like I got $3 Skin CVS CRT last week that I did not use, and I got 2 CRTs of CVS Skin this week that I used, and I had $3 of Heartburn CRT. So I bought antacid tablets. They were $3.19 at my store, and the tea is Spotless Solution that was $6.29, and wipes of the $2.99. So I used all 4 CRTs. That reduced my total to 47 cents, making it 51 cents for all these 3 products. I think that's the best price you can get for antacid and tea solution. I bought wipes just to my $3 were expiring, so why not use it? So that's how I did it. Let's go to next transaction. So I bought the prune juice as well from the Gold Emblem. These are this week I think 2 for 5, 2 for 5.5, and when you buy so it is $2.89 each, and when you buy 2 it is $5.50. So I bought 1 because I had $1 off CRT. I used that on this. That reduces this for $1.89. But my Hallmark deal is really good, that I really like it. So on Thursday, as we know that we get the coupon, so I got the $5 off greeting card. So that Spider-Man greeting card, that is $7.99. So I used my $5, and I have 2 CRTs of $4 of 3 Hallmark CRT. So I combined all three $13, and this is $7.99 on what do you call that? The Spider-Man card, $1.99 for the small, that hanging thing, that a bag you can say, and $2.99 for that bigger bag. So I used my $13 on that. I paid some 86 cent or something on average, but that's fine. I think 86 cent for these good products is really good. So if you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine them. That will be really helpful in reducing too. And if you will buy 3 gift cards, then you will get $3 extra buck as well. But I did not, because I was not accumulating on that. I definitely need more bags that are saying happy birthday, and we don't get deal on that one. So that's why I purchased that one. Let's go to next. So on my other card, I had 2 L'Oreal Moisturizer CRT plus $6 L'Oreal Age Perfect CRT. So again, I did the spend 30, get $10 extra bucks deal. I bought L'Oreal Moisturizer for $19.99, plus I bought 2 Tide Pods for $4.94. I used $2 of Tide Send to cart, and I used $6 of L'Oreal CRT, L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer CRT. I used 2 CRTs of L'Oreal Moisturizer CRT of $5. That reduces my total to $11.87. I got back $10 extra bucks, plus L'Oreal Moisturizer counts toward beauty, so I will get back $2 for beauty bucks as well, making this transaction completely free of cost. It won't charge you anything at all, and you're getting 2 Tide Pods for like completely free. That is a really decent deal. That's good. So here is my receipt. As you can see, that Tide coupon that also came off, and $6 Age Perfect, $5 of 5 L'Oreal moisturizers, and you can see the total is $11 plus some cents that I paid off. So here is the deal. I hope this can help you in getting the cheaper Tide that we definitely need. Let's go to next. So this is my body wash plus you can say Unilever deal, because I used the Unilever coupons on this. I used 2 coupons of Suave, $1 each, that we got in this week Retail Me Not. I used $4 of 2 Dove and $5 of 2 Tresemme coupon. So let me tell you the deals. So Suave body washes, buy one get one 50% off. Suave body wash at my store is $2.59. So I purchased 2 because I had $2 of 2 CRT, plus I used 2 coupons of $1 from this week Retail Me Not. So CVS did not give me any overage, because $2.59, and when you buy 2 of them, that is 3 something. And when I use 2 of 2 plus 2 CRTs, it exactly giving me $0 for them. There is no overage on that. And the rest is hair care CRT, as I showed in my the breakdowns deal, that on I showed it on, I think, Wednesday night. Yeah, Wednesday night I showed that, so you can look for that. I am going to post on every Wednesday that the breakdown. So in that I did exactly that I bought 2 women hair care. So Dove was buy 2 get $2 extra bucks, and Tresemme is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you will get back $2 extra bucks. So Dove at my store was $5.39, and the Tresemme at my store was $4.99. So second Tresemme will round it up around $2.50. I used $4 of 2 Retail Me Not from this week Retail Me Not. I used $5 of 2 Tresemme Retail Me Not. Used $2 of Tresemme CRT that I got last week. I used $4 of 14 hair care CRT. Actually, I had $4 of 18's hair care CRT. So I think that was mistyped or something. So that reduces my total to $327 for all 6 of them. I got back $2 extra bucks for Dove and $2 extra bucks for Tresemme, making it free and 73-cent moneymaker. Plus this shampoo, and shampoo counts toward beauty, not the body wash. Body wash never counts towards beauty. So shampoo might give me like $1.50 or something towards beauty, making it like $2 moneymaker. So these moneymaker, like we did in L'Oreal, we did on the L'Oreal and CoverGirl deal, and on this one that will count toward the next our deals, because rest of the deals I did through PayPal. So let's go to that. So this is my first PayPal transaction. So in this I bought two Live Better B2 100 mg tabs, and then I bought 2 degrees Aveeno ageless cleanser, L'Oreal Cosrita, L'Oreal root cover up, tea solution, and 2 CoverGirl products. They are like CoverGirl Sparky Rose and Undercover. So let me tell you how I did it. So that Live Better, that is $9.29 at my store for B2 vitamins. So I had 2 CRTs of $3 of Live Better vitamins and $5 of Live Better vitamins. So both came off, and Live Better this week is buy one get one 100%, buy one get one free. So those 2 CRTs came off. Then the degree is of so I used that buy one get one coupon from this week Retail Me Not. That was average was $6, but both of these are $7.29. So, and the $2.50 of Unilever from Send to Cart, that also came off. The next is Aveeno. So I had 2 CRTs of $4 each for Aveeno ageless. Plus there is $2 coupon for Aveeno. That also came off, making it $1.49 for Aveeno because it was $11.49. Color Cosrita and Root Cover Up, these are the part of buy 2 hair care, L'Oreal hair care, get $4 extra bucks. So I purchased because I was purchasing Cosrita because I had 2 CRTs of $5 each, and I wanted to lower the price for Root Cover Up. So I used 2 coupons of $2 each from coupons.com for L'Oreal hair care. Plus I used what do you call that, 2 CRTs of $5 each of L'Oreal Cosrita. So that reduces my total because there is no average on the Cosrita. That is, both CRTs went through that, and the manufacturer coupon rates reduces as well. So that is like completely free. Then $6 reduced on the other, that L'Oreal Root Cover Up. That also counts toward that our cycle on till 31st December. That if you are 7, you will get 1 free. So that Root Cover Up has been reduced. So it was $11.99. I got back $4 extra bucks for buying it them 2, and $2 coupon that I used. So making it $6 for those 2 products. One is completely free, $6 only for Root Cover Up. Then I did on that the same thing I did on Tea Solution because I had 2 CRTs of $6 each. I used that. And the CoverGirl, I used 2 coupons, $3 each on face. Plus I had $2 of CoverGirl CRT. Plus I had $8 of 20 CoverGirl CRT. And for degree, so after this transaction, I had $2 of Dove and Degree CRT as well. So after this transaction, my subtotal was around $22. I used PayPal because PayPal is giving spend 20 on CVS get $10 off. So I spent, that's why I used it. They have given simple instruction on that. If you want, I can share that with you. You can definitely roll those things. It is very easy. That on the left hand side you will get the thing on scan, and then you can pay for it. And even there is instructions that are given to CVS as well. If you will go there, they have like chart and something. They can also help you how you can use the PayPal there for paying. I will definitely recommend you do that because that will reduce your $10 on these things. I did this deal, and that will definitely, like, if I get $10, that will be definitely good. So I spent $22 on all these of 4. So I got $4 for L'Oreal thing, and I got back $6 for CoverGirl, making it $10 out of pocket. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I got $2.50 for Degree as well. So making it only $10 out of pocket, and $10 we will get from PayPal, making these all products completely free. Plus some products count toward beauty as well. That will also come as a average, and so that is money maker. I think if you plan like this, that can definitely help you in reducing more cost as well. Let's go to next deal. Hallmark. Hallmark, same deal. Buy 3 gift cards, you will get back $3 extra bucks. But I did not buy 3 gift cards, so I had 2 CRTs. One is $4 off 4 Hallmark CRT, and other is $3 off 2 Hallmark CRT. I combined that $7, and I used them by buying these, the hanging things or the beauty decoration thing. And I bought that the handbag as well. That is reducing the cost as well. Okay, let's go to my another PayPal transaction. So I did this on my second card, and I used my other PayPal account. So I was looking for this candle like for longer time now, but I got this week, and thanks to PayPal and CVS for helping me out. So this candle is marked as $59.99, but I thought that this will be part of spend 30 get $10 extra bucks, because we are getting a holiday thing, but it is not. So I asked there was no tag on it, so I asked CVS manager, is it part of it or not? So they said that it should be part of it. We can look it on the counter. So when I went to counter, the total was marking up as $19.99. That was really good price, decent price. But $19.99 is not average on that $20 that PayPal deal, that is spend 20 get $10 off. So it was not working on that. So I simply add the KitKat on that. That was around $129, making it average on $20. And I use the PayPal. But this deal does not, this $20 is not counting towards that spend 30 get $10 extra bucks, because this candle is not part of that deal. So be careful if you are planning to do this. This is $10. So I spent $20 out of my pocket through PayPal. I will get $10 from PayPal, and the rest of the $10 you can assume that okay, we can spend that on that, because there are so many overage on there. We did it on L'Oreal, we did it on last transactions. A lot of things like Suave, those things count on the beauty as well. So we can spend $10. Means I would definitely wanted this, so I spent $10 on this. I think that's a decent price for the candles as well.